Every time she smiles, I'm sure your heart skips a beat. She's gorgeous, and now her wax statue is going to be soon launched. I hope they can make that as perfect as she is. I'm here with Madhuri Dixit. Small chat with her. So congratulations, by the way, and excited about the wax statue?
Oh yes, very. I think it's an honor and very excited.
फैबुलस. यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही सुंदर सेट है. प्रोमो के लिए शूट कर रहे हैं हम, महाशिवरात्रि के प्रोमो के लिए, महादेव सीरियल के लिए. ये बताइए आपकी फेवरेट मेमोरी व्हेन इट कम्स टू शिवरात्रि.
शिवरात्रि ऑफ कोर्स सबके लिए फेवरेट है. वैसे मेरे डैडी का नाम भी शंकर है. और जैसे हम लोग ने कथक सीखा है, उसमें हम इतनी सारी स्तुतियाँ करते हैं शंकर भगवान की कि बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और महाशिवरात्रि की बात ही अलग है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आपने कथक की बात की. फ्रॉम देयर आई वांट टू आस्क यू, रिसेंटली आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज डूइंग मुजराज. करीना इज डूइंग वन फॉर एजेंट विनोद. आई थिंक इफ यू सीन इट. No. Okay. And then Katrina did a Marathi style Chikni Chameli. But you've been the queen of this elegance, and when it comes to dancing, what is your comment on who do you think has done it quite nicely?
But I think the only one I have seen Mujraz is of course Rekha ji. Nobody can beat her the way she does them. She's just marvelous when she does Mujraz.
And have you seen Katrina's? No, Chikni Chameli and all that? No? Fine, no issues. Madhuri, tell us, when we talk about Indian festivals, when you went to the US and you've always been very culturally inclined, तो वहाँ पे आपने किस तरह सेलिब्रेट किया था महाशिवरात्रि?
I think हम लोग सब फ्रेंड्स एकत्र होते थे उस रात और just have fun basically. बच्चों को we used to tell them stories about Shankar Bhagwan. We used to get अमर चित्र कथाज एंड कॉमिक्स इन विच वो रीड कर सकते थे कि क्या क्या स्टोरीज हैं. तो वी यूज्ड टू हैव फन.
I'm sure she did, and I'm sure coming back here feels like being back at home. This time, what plans for Mahashivratri here, and of course Valentine's Day?
महाशिवरात्रि के लिए तो we'll be at home, we'll do a पूजा. और वैलेंटाइंस डे के लिए ऑफ कोर्स I'll go out with my Shankar Bhagwan. I'll go out with my Pati Dev, and I think we'll just have a quiet dinner.
Fantastic. First of all, Madhuri, there are a lot of as you are here and you've always been there, rumor mills have to keep on running as to the fact she's dropped this movie, replaced she wanted Deepika's role. She said she's only going to do a main lead, no mom roles. The rumor mills have to keep on going, and the fact that supposedly you charge exorbitantly. You tell us what's the truth.
Well, the truth is that I've just moved here. Right. It's just been like 3 months now. Right. So I'm just settling down. I am hearing scripts. I never said I did. Right. Lekin I've not zeroed in on one particular one that I would like to do. There's some things, some scripts that I'm hearing final, hearings for. और एक बार वो मैं सुन लूँगी तो फिर मैं decide what to do.
Fantastic. So all the rumor mills putting aside that she doesn't want to do this role, no mother's role, and no exorbitant prices.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm just selecting what I want to do. First, it took me a few months just to settle down क्योंकि बच्चों को स्कूल भेजना था, doing all that. तो अब धीरे धीरे सब सेटल होने लग गया तो now I can concentrate on other things.
Fantastic. Along with your return, there's been a young brigade of talent that has come into Bollywood, and among being Ranbir, Imran, everybody who's doing very well. Now, who do you think will get lucky? And if you would want to choose among them if you get a chance, and I'm sure you will. So, who would get lucky? Imran, Ranbir Singh?
It's hard to say. Depends on the role कि क्या रोल है उनका फिल्म में. लेकिन of course I like रणबीर कपूर because मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है. उनकी फिल्में मैंने देखी हैं. इमरान की मैंने एक ही फिल्म देखी है, दिल्ली बेली, and he was very good in that movie. लेकिन ज़्यादा मैंने इनकी फिल्म देखी है, so I really think he's a good actor.
Media has never stopped about talking, when it comes to you and when it comes to Shah Rukh or Salman, and you have been one binding factor within the two of them because they've been your very good friends. So when the media keeps on talking about देखो आज सलमान और शाहरुख ने क्या किया, what is your reaction to it?
Well, I think it's first of all I don't read too many magazines. Okay. और मुझे लगता है it's whatever is between them. I don't know anything.
So I think all right. Well, we tried getting a lot out of her, but as usual, she's been very, very nice. Rudrani Chatraj with Cameron Amol, Zoom. Thank you so much, Madhuri.
You're welcome.